Hey, Wanderers, are you flying this week? Some airports are reporting massive TSA delays right now due to government shutdown, but there's a new airport option many travelers don't know about that could help you get through security faster. We actually just returned from Las Vegas and then Puerto Vallarta, and we didn't experience any slowdowns at these areas. We even went through Dallas, and that was on the list of ones that have had them. But other airports around the country are already reporting very long security lines and delays. One thing that may help in certain airports is something new called TSA touchless ID screening. Instead of handing your ID over to the TSA officer, you simply look into a camera for a few seconds. This is much like when you come back in using global entry. The system compares your face to the ID connected to your airline reservation in this case, and if it matches, you move right along. Now, here's something important travelers should know. Some airlines recommend opting in to a biometric or digital ID verification in their airline app before you fly. Now, that varies by airline, but typically is a checkbox somewhere in the area where you put in your passport information or there's a secure travel section. This allows TSA to use your verified photo for the touchless screening. And when you reach the TSA podium or when you walk up, you may be asked if you'd like to use the camera. Or if you see a TSA touchless sign, you can ask if you can go through there versus the other line, because even some of the agents don't know that that's available. And a lot of people aren't using it, so they forget to ask. This is important as well. Unlike TSA Precheck, there is no symbol on your boarding pass for this. So it's simply an opt in to this optional screening method, and it'll be available at certain airports if you see the signs as you approach the TSA. So before your next flight, check your airline app for biometric ID options. And if you see the camera set up at TSA, you can choose to try to use the touchless screening method. We always recommend arriving early, but today it's even more important with the situation regarding the shutdown. And knowing tips like this can help you make your airport travel a little bit smoother.